What's going on, guys? I hope you're all doing well, and welcome back to my trades. So, guys, before I get into the technicals for Bitcoin and Ethereum, I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys my positioning and my trades and my portfolio. Give you guys an update on the portfolio. Before I do that, though, guys, I want to go ahead and just deviate away from crypto and deviate from the markets really quick and talk about today. Today was a tragedy. Today, I don't know if you guys are on Twitter or Instagram, but today was a tragic day for, I would say, in American history. Um, a really popular American influencer by the name of Charlie Kirk unfortunately ended up losing his life today. Um, he ended up losing his life at a college campus on one of his college campus tours that he does. I guess he does debates and everything like that on college campuses and debates people on their political differences. And unfortunately, he ended up losing his life today. Unfortunately, uh, you know, I know Charlie's a man of God. I know Charlie's a man of faith, and I have a lot of respect for Charlie. And you know, I as of today, seeing that and seeing the surrealness of the tragedy, it was I can't put it in the words, honestly. Um, it's crazy. You never know when it's your time. It's you never know when it's your time, and God bless him. He was a follower of Christ. I'm also a follower of Christ. I'm not scared to admit my faith. Um, so God bless him. May his soul rest in peace. May he be with God. And I pray for his family and condolences to him, his family, and his children, his young children. So, anyways, that doesn't have any direct impact to the markets, but regardless, I wanted to go ahead and show my respect and my condolences for Charlie Kirk. So, anyways, guys, we'll go ahead and get right into it, just to show some respect and my condolences and respect to his family. So, um, let's go ahead and get into the portfolio, guys. So, as of today, my last video I made, which was the 8th, this was the updated portfolio at that time. I was 84% cash, 16% Ethereum. I didn't make a video yesterday, but this was the updated portfolio. So I put a little bit more into Ethereum. Now I'm currently in 79% cash. And then today, still 79% cash, 21% Ethereum. So I did add more Ethereum the last couple days, bought a little bit more Ethereum, dollar cost averaging into Ethereum, and still in my Ethereum position. This is the position, what it looks like. Like I said, I don't care about the numbers, the short-term price swings. All I care about is, building the position because I'm still bullish for the rest of the year. And right now, I am just building a bigger position. So we'll go ahead and get to the technicals, and I'll show you guys what I'm planning to do and what my plays are going forward. So as of today, Ethereum and Bitcoin look very good. Bitcoin looks very, very good. Bitcoin had a real strong day today. PPI reports came out today for the inflation, and it was less. The expectations on the inflation was below expectations, which is very good. Inflation is cooling off, which would suggest and give a lot of room to the Federal Reserve to cut a lot of rates going forward. So this market had a strong reaction to the PPI reports of the inflation. So Bitcoin looks really strong right here. Uh, just to go into the indicators, I would say the RSI looks very strong. Finally crossed over the 50 and it's way over the gold band. So that right now signifies to me that Bitcoin is in strength right now. Bitcoin is in strength right now, and this is good to see. Very good to see. MACD stochastic that I used, stochastic MACD, the stochastic looks very strong. It's diverging back up, and Bitcoin is starting to see buying volume. So this is very good. The buying pressure right now, it looks very solid. Like I said, guys, I did my last video, I made a path video where I said that this is what I predicted was going to happen to Bitcoin. Somewhere similar to this is where I think is going to happen to Bitcoin in this month. I do think we're going to go back up to 124 by the end of the month. And for Ethereum, I do think we're going to go back up to like anywhere from $4,800 to $4,900. So we'll get into Ethereum. So Ethereum is looking very interesting. Ethereum, for the first time since we've had this dump, okay? We've had this dump for quite a while, for the last 2 weeks, 2.5 weeks. Ethereum is starting to pick up some steam. Okay, it doesn't look like it right now, but this is why we do technical analysis. Okay, for the first time in the last 2.5 weeks, Ethereum is finally respecting the daily moving average. Finally, it's above the daily moving average. That's very good to see. That's very good to see. That means there's going to be possibly more strength coming to Ethereum very soon. We can look at the indicators really quick. We can look at the RSI, which is my favorite indicator. Ethereum has officially crossed that gold band. So I would assume that Ethereum is probably going to have a nice run tomorrow. I'm probably going to load up on more Ethereum tonight. More than likely, I will load up on Ethereum tonight. I'm just going to watch the overnight for the time being. Um, volume looks very strong. This is very strong volume. We haven't seen volume like this since this huge wick on Friday, right? But since then, the volume has been off. An event now, um, the volume has been way down for the last 2 weeks. Finally we see this bar cross over the moving average for buying volume, which is bullish to see for Ethereum. And like I said, guys, the alts cannot pump out of this. The alts can't have a huge run until Ethereum does something. So Ethereum, I feel like Ethereum is about to load up right now. I think Ethereum is going to load up. I think the next resistance is at $4,500, which I think we can possibly see that by tomorrow easily. Maybe even $4,600 if we're, if there's a lot of buying pressure. So again, I think Ethereum is ready to go. I think Ethereum is ready to go. Right now, I want to build on Sui. I want to build my beta trade on Sui. I was going to build it on Solana, but unfortunately, Solana is a little bit overbought. If we look at the RSI, it is almost overbought in this, going towards being overbought a little bit. Until I see like a retest, which may not come for a while on Solana, Sui right now is the better opportunity. In terms of risk reward, I think Sui is the better option right now. So I think I'm going to load up on Sui. I'm going to buy a little bit of Sui tonight for my beta trade. And then buy a little bit more Ethereum and obviously can keep building on the Ethereum trade. Things are looking really good right now. So for Bitcoin, obviously Bitcoin has to make the first move. Essentially what Bitcoin has to do right now, just go ahead and just leave you guys with this before I close out the video. Bitcoin has to hold 12.1. Okay, you guys see this daily moving average? Bitcoin has to hold 12.1. As long as Bitcoin can hold 12.1 over tonight, we should be good to continuously pump tomorrow. We should have a pump tomorrow going forward to 115, maybe even 116 tomorrow. Who knows? But this is strong. This is very strong. This is what you want to see. The volume was very good today on Bitcoin. So this is very good. And like I said in my last video, guys, I truly think the bottom was 107. Bottom is at 107 as of right now. I don't think we're going to come back down to 107. We respected the retest at 109, and we've pumped out of this. So right now, I think we're going to have a nice pump going into tomorrow and Friday. So again, watch out for this. 12.1 is to look out for. If it holds 12.1 over tonight, very good sign. Very good sign. Same thing with Ethereum. Ethereum holds, 43.40, which I think it will hold. Ethereum should have a nice pump tomorrow. So anyways, that's the technicals, guys. I'm going to go ahead and leave it there. I hope you guys liked today's episode. Hope you guys enjoyed and learned something today. By no means is this financial advice. Do you have to do your own due diligence? Do your own technical analysis. I appreciate the support, guys, and I will see you guys in the next video for tomorrow's technical analysis. See you guys in the next video, guys. Peace out.